homework.
What do you need, Bryson? Oh, I can hear you now, Avis.
Yep.
Love you.
Sorry.
You almost home, Avis?
Yeah, almost there. I just connected you through my car so I can hear you better. You can hear me now.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So are you good if we go ahead and start the quiz?
No
Okay.
problem. I mean, I just almost there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, good. Yeah, I found my homework. I was like, oh my gosh, you guys will talk about things that I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, lesson 10, group mini quiz, right? Okay, mine's pulling up now.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Is everybody there?
yeah.
I'm still getting there. Just go ahead though.
Okay.
So it's the formula Z times, is that sigma divided by the square root of n.
So the z-score for that would be?
1.645.
Okay.
Okay, I am there.
And this is just the margin of error, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I got 16.45. Let me know if that's right.
16.45.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So the following is true. I thought all of those were point estimators.
I'm so bad at the word problems.
Oh, two, it's an interval. Okay, so aren't point estimators all of the
sample
symbol?
mean. So it's X bar is a point estimator of the sample mean, I would think. Because you guys talked about the 541. In my notes that the point estimate is the sample mean.
Oh, it is. So it's the second one?
Yeah, let me go back to my notes.
Because I guess I thought all of these were point estimators. None of them are interval. Oh, I see. So, yeah. So X bar is a point estimator of the mean. That makes sense. Because it estimates the parameter. Right? So X bar is a point estimator of the mean.
That's what I was thinking.
Tori, is that what you had said at first too?
It says statement. So would that mean the sample mean is a point estimate of X bar? Does it let you mark more than one? No, it doesn't. So I think X bar is the correct one. Okay. Excuse me.
Okay. Gina wants to control. What is the point estimate for a true Gmail? So point estimate is 526.
That's what I would think.
Yeah, 526.
Okay, that's a margin of error. Okay, so this is that same equation.
So yeah, this time it's 1.96.
So this is when we, oh, excuse me, use that equation.
Mm-hmm.
So it's 526 plus.
We're just finding the margin of error right now for number 6.
So we don't use X bar yet.
Okay. The margin of error is, oh, excuse me.
Is this just Z times sigma divided by the square root of n? What is it called? Oh, standard deviation, right?
What, the sigma?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I got 27.685.
Sorry, I'm still writing it out.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Okay, so I'm looking at my notes. Trying to figure out.
27.685.
27.685? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
So that's for the where am I?
Margin of error.
For 95%.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
how did you guys figure out? I'm looking at my notes and I'm like,
That's the margin of error. So when you do the, when you're doing the plus or minus, that's the margin of error after the plus or minus. So it's, go ahead.
So the margin of error is just the equation of Z times standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So that's just how you find the margin of error. And then the X bar equation, that's to find the confidence interval.
But what's the Z? That's where I'm looking at my notes. It's like, where's my Z?
Oh, okay. The level of confidence. Remember when you put numbers into the applet and
I didn't use the applet.
Yeah.
That's why I was like,
The 95% confidence. That's what.
Okay, there. I forgot to get my applet. Okay. And am I coloring both tails, right and left?
Yes.
You guys
for numbers.
It would be the middle, right?
Oh, the middle.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Just the middle.
And then do the 0.95 for the 95% margin of error.
Yeah.
And then I got 1.96 for the Z.
Yes.
Okay, that's what I was missing. My applet and sorry.
That's okay.
You're fine. We're on 7, right? Is everybody on 7?
Yeah, I was gonna ask what questions are we on?
Okay.
Yeah, and I'm just finishing my.
Oh, number 6.
Yeah,
Okay.
but you guys can go ahead because, like I said, I just had missed the Z score, so I'm just making sure I'm calculating correctly.
For number 6, what decimals did you end it on?
Me? I did 27.685.
So you wrote it out all 3?
Yeah, because I guess I don't know because in the book it was only doing 2, but usually in the quizzes it has us do to 3. You know?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I don't know. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, it says
Write it all out.
remember to round to 3 decimals unless otherwise specified.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Okay.
Okay, so for the next question, question 7, we just take the X bar 526 and then subtract the margin of error, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is 526.
What did you guys get for that?
498.315.
Yeah, I got that too. Are you on number 7, Abigail?
Yeah. So you said 498.315. We
Yes.
don't
Yeah.
round it right. Okay, that's what I got too. And it's positive, right? You guys got positive?
Yeah.
Oh gosh.
That's what I got. So I'm caught up now.
Did you get
Not
something
what I
different,
got.
Tori?
Yeah, I probably just entered it wrong though.
What did you get?
I got negative 1,000 something. I have no idea what I did.
Yeah,
Well,
it's
we
only
can track that down. What? Yeah.
I probably put my parentheses around something wrong.
Well, if you want to redo it, we can wait.
Oh, thanks.
yeah, because it's only
Oh.
only 27 points sort of difference. So you should, yeah, you've way 1,000 is definitely way out. The margin is only 27.
Am I doing the right problem? It's 526 minus 1.96 times 113 divided by 64, or square root of 64.
Yeah, but we already have the margin of error, so you could always just do 526 minus 27.685
Oh,
so that you don't have to put all that in.
526 minus, where is it? 27.685.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks. Okay. Okay, my calculator's just messed up. You guys can keep going. Thank you.
Okay, so for the next one, we're just going to add instead of
Right.
subtract.
Let's get the the intervals. They're trying to trick us with their wording.
Yeah.
Upper limit.
So, well, let me know when you guys are on question 9.
Okay.
So for 8, 553.685.
0.685, yeah, that's what I got too. Okay. So for number 9, it's increase, right? Because if you increase the sample size. Oh, wait.
confidence interval, the margin of error is smaller.
Yeah, so she's
Smaller.
gonna decrease.
So
The
we'll
other one increases. Okay.
because you become more accurate, right? Isn't that what it says? As the larger the sample size, your accuracy is more improved. So that should decrease the margin of error.
Yeah, you're right. And then the next one is increase.
Ooh, they're wording the width of the confidence level. If it's a 99% confidence level interval.
Because
So it's gonna decrease again, right?
Well, so in our book it says increasing the confidence level will lead to larger values of Z. So the margin of error would increase. This would lead to a wider confidence interval. So I think it increases.
So is that an increase?
That's what I think, but Elvis was saying he thinks decrease. I'll show you the sentence I'm reading. Okay, this is what our book says on our side.
What happened? The confidence level increased, say increasing the confidence level lead to larger values of C. Well, if we go to Applet and try it, will that help? So if we plug in 99.
It's a matter of wording. Yeah.
So the middle widened, right? It increased.
So
even the Z-score increased.
Right.
So that would be saying the width increased, right? Z-score increased, so we can say the width increased. It didn't say the same. Because we're talking about 95% to 99, right? If I'm reading it right.
If Gina increased the sample size.
Well, because we were at, what was it, 95?
Yeah.
95, so we are increasing it, so it increases the width of confidence.
So is 9 and 10 different?
Yeah, because so for 9, she's increasing the sample size. So that way you're going to be able to narrow your width of confidence down, because you can say, okay, it was this, this many points could be it, but since we're increasing the sample size, we're narrowing it down. But in 10, we're changing it to 99% confidence interval. So you're increasing
the margin of error. Is that what it means? The margin of error is increased?
I mean, the idea is that when we give, my reason is that when we get 99%, it's when we are confident that this is it. So we have only 2 points to choose. We don't have a wide variety of things to choose between. That was my logic, but.
So it is. Oh, wow. So you saying decrease?
Yeah, I was saying decrease, but we can go with increase too.
Yeah, put whatever you think is right. I was just going off what it said in the book, how I interpreted it, but I could be totally wrong too, because I don't really know.
My idea was like, if I'm confident that this is the answer, so I have only A and B instead of A, B, C, D. Let's increase the interval of options.
Let me see if I have any notes. We'll go on. I'm going to see if I have notes on that either.
Okay. Okay. Average life.
Number 11.
Sample size do they need? Okay.
So is the confidence level the margin of error? Am I using it wrong?
What? The confidence interval?
Yeah, interval. Yeah, is the confidence level the margin error?
The margin of error. No, yeah, it's part of it.
Because the larger the sample, the accurate you'll be. Margin of error is getting smaller, which is what I said at the beginning. I mean, which is what I said. So I'm just trying to think through the number 10. So the margin error increased. Is that what it's saying? The confidence interval. That's what I'm thinking. If I can think of it as margin error, that's how I can work my brains around it. But if it's not, if I'm thinking of it wrong, so if that's increased to 99.
I think the confidence interval are the 2 points that we get when we do that, X plus margin of error, X minus margin of error. Those are the 2 points that we get, the confidence interval, right?
Mm-hmm. So is it saying the margin error is between 5, 3, 4?
I mean, probably question 11 is more important than question number 10.
Mm-hmm.
For this one, do we have to work backwards?
That's what I'm thinking.
I'm just confused because wouldn't the margin of error be, or wouldn't the other, the 400 and the 1.96 be part of the margin of error?
Wait, what? The 400 and the what?
The 1.96, so the 95%, wouldn't that be part of the margin of error?
Yeah, but I think I'm kind of confused with this one too, to be honest. Let's see, X bar equals 95.
Whole number.
Yeah, I'm confused too.
So let me see. So pretty much we have to find the n, so the sample size n.
Mm-hmm. But we don't have the X bar. Don't we need that to find the sample size? N?
Yeah. So I think that's what we're trying to find.
The X bar?
Well,
yeah.
95% of confidence, it's 1.96, right?
Yeah.
So we can do that like 1.96 multiplied by 400. And then we divide it by the margin of error.
Divide it, or would you multiply?
Well, like how's that x?
So let's see. I'm just finding it online. We always run up in sample size. Oh.
So it's a x in the second power multiply.
Equals. Let me me see if this pastes right in there. See what I'm looking at.
Hmm.
It doesn't.
Let's see.
What was the 95? 1.96?
Yeah.
Okay. I see what you were talking about, Elvis.
Yeah.
Did you get, Elvis, did you, whoops,
Yeah.
0.68 squared. Did you get 245.862?
Well,
Oh.
mine went at the end, yeah, 246 rounded up.
Yeah. Okay. Do you get where he's getting that from, Tori and Abigail? So I forgot about this equation that was in our textbook. It's n equals z sigma over m, and z is the 95%.
95%.
The 1.96. 1.96 times sigma divided by m, and that's all squared.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Abigail, do you get what we're saying?
So say the formula again. I've got it in front of me. I just want to be sure I'm understanding it right.
Okay. So when I say z, it's going to be the 1.96.
Right. Mm-hmm.
So z sigma over m, all squared.
So it's not the square root of n. It's just n, right?
M,
Yes.
the margin of error, right?
Oh,
N.
yes, yes. I got that formula
Okay.
from the lesson right in front of me. So
it's 1.96 times 400 divided by 50, all of that squared.
okay. There it goes. All right. Yep. And then, yep. So that's the sample size formula.
Okay. So that is 246 then. Right, is that what you got, Elvis? 246?
Yeah, I rounded to 246.
Yeah, and they say to round it
Oh,
to a
yeah.
whole number. Mm-hmm.
246. Okay. What is the lower limit? Okay.
Yep, I got the same. So we rounded 246, right? 246. And then I have a note here, if this helps with number 10. The margin of error gets smaller as the level of confidence grows smaller. So is that what we were talking about? Is that number 10? So the width.
So you're saying it decreases?
The margin of error gets smaller as the level of confidence grows smaller. So is that what you're saying, Elvis?
Yeah, but in this one, the confidence goes to 99%. So it's like.
Yeah.
But according to.
I'm not understanding it then. it's like saying failing to accept.
Look at what I put over here.
Of error.
Because it's the exact question that we have.
Okay.
And there's the answer. Okay, I'm gonna go to number 12. Yeah. Z-score.
What's the equation for this one?
Yeah.
This is where we plus or minus the margin of error.
Oh.
So this is where we're subtracting it. Oh.
I don't know.
Elvis, did you get yours already?
Well, so I was trying to get the right number. I know we have, how you pronounce this? 111,000 minus the 196, the Z-score.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was trying to get the sigma. So
the sigma was 36,730.
and divided by 36, the square root of 36.
Yeah, square root of 36.
Okay, yeah, just let me calculate this. So I got 99,000.
Exactly.
0.002.
Yeah, me too. Okay. Did you guys get that too, Abigail and Tori?
I'm so slow.
Oh, you're fine.
Where do you guys put your parentheses around?
So I do the second half of the equation first. I do the parenthesis 1.9. Oh no, I just do 1.96 parenthesis 36,730 divided by square root 36 parenthesis. So the thing I'm dividing is in parentheses.
Oh.
So I get that
So you
number.
used 1.96. Oh gosh, I was using the wrong number. I was like, oh yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Where in the world?
Yeah, I got confused for a moment with that test level hypothesis, the 0.05.
What?
Well, it was like one of the informations given was the 0.05.
Yeah, the level of significance.
Yeah. And I was trying to put it in somewhere. I was like, where does this fit in here?
Oh, yeah.
What was? Oh my gosh.
What?
So for y'all's answer, we're looking for the lower limit, right?
Yeah, for number 12 is lower.
I got 99,001.
It's 99,002 because the decimal.
Okay. Rounds it up.
Yeah.
So it's 1.96 times the 3630. Maybe I didn't do my brackets right.
It's 1.96 times the 36730 divided by root 36.
Divided by 36.
Square root of 36.
11998.4666.
Did you put square root of 36?
Square root of 36. I'm pretty sure I did.
Oh, so what was the number that you got?
Like 11,099. I'm putting it back in. Oh my gosh. So I went 1.96 in brackets times 36.
Yes, you got the right number.
I did.
And then what? Yeah, but 11,000 minus the number you got, the 11998.
Okay.
And that's you get the 99.
Oh, and then I have to subtract to get the.
Yeah. You got it.
I just didn't subtract.
Yes.
Okay. One, 2, 3, 9. Yeah, I got 99,001.5.
Yeah.
Yeah, but round it.
Round it to the whole number.
Whole number. Okay, so it's a 2. Okay.
Yeah. So that's what we got to.
So I was not rounding correctly. Okay, got it. All right.
Nice. So everybody got 12, right?
Yeah.
So 13, we just add it instead of subtract.
21,002.
No, I got 122,998.
Point.
What did it?
Oh, you don't have to round it, right? Because it's whole numbers. So yes, I got the same. 122,998.
Were your parentheses just off or something, Tori?
Probably. It's just you just add the exact same thing, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh. I see what happened.
You got it? Okay. Okay. There are 3 requirements that need to be checked when all of the above, right?
Yeah, I know you have to have a sigma known, and you have to be normally distributed.
And it has to have a simple random sample.
Oh, yep, all of the above.
Okay.
So I just need help with number. I've got a blank one on here. It's number 3. The first one I didn't. Find the margin.
So the margin of error was just the.
Is that the z times sigma divided by the square root of n? I just, okay.
Yeah.
I will fill that out and put that in. Okay, yep, then we should be good.
Okay.
What did you get? Abigail, what number did you get for 3?
Oh, I've just got to get my applet number.
Oh.
What's 0.90? Is that 1
Sorry.
point? Sorry.
No, you're
I
fine.
had it right in front of me. Listen, it had a list of us for our lesson, so I can quickly get that. 0.90, 90%. It's 1.645. Okay.
Hey. I submitted it. We got 100. Hallelujah.
Okay.
Was that with a decrease or increase on the one we were confused on?
That
Number
was
10. Number 10, was that an increase or decrease?
that was an increase.
Okay.
Okay. Divided by the square root of 25. Okay, so the answer I've got is 16.45. Was that the answer you had for number 3? 16.45. Awesome.
Let me see. Let me double check.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, 16.45.
Okay. Yep. All right. I can then.
Did you get everything, Tori, with that last number? Okay.
Thanks.
Cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
see you guys next I guess
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay,
Yep.
see ya.
Thank you.